Hi, I'm Ava, and I'm here to introduce you to Intellecta, the new generative AI solution developed by IMA Group, world leader in the design and manufacture of automatic processing and packaging machines. Intellecta is specifically designed to increase your production efficiency and reduce your workload with no programming skills required. Its first action is to build a complete and continuously updated knowledge base of your manufacturing process by scanning data collected from connected machines. This allows it to help you optimize your production flows in a number of different ways. For example, you can choose power words to focus its machine data searches and line trend mapping. Intellecta can also condense complex data to create performance reports for specified periods and line features like alarms. If one of your lines or machines has an issue, Intellecta can help troubleshoot it with advanced search features. And if you activate Sentry mode, Intellecta will conduct checks automatically at regular intervals on specified areas and KPIs. Lastly, Intellecta can help you during training operations and accelerate decision-making by converting real-time information into easy-to-read charts and graphs. All these features are included in the IMA Sentinel platform to ensure that Intellecta offers a rapid, secure, state-of-the-art service that will boost your production, free up your operators, and open new business scenarios. Intellecta. Private, trained, ready.